Into Calabogie, supplies, burgers, back to Govan, maybe right into the lake. Right into the lake! This is not the part that I thought, but that part's coming soon. So I'm going to turn the camera back off, and then I'm going to turn it on in a bit. This is the part that I thought we were at. And I can promise you one thing. The burgers I picked up from the Redneck Bistro, while I'm sure will be delicious, they are now guaranteed, especially after this part, going to be make your own burgers. I can't even imagine what kind of shape these things are going to be in by the time I get back to the campsite. Oh well, what do you do? And that's just if I don't even drop the bike. If I drop the bike, one of these is going to be make your own and very thin. What did I say about dropping the bike? Because I feel like I increased the odds for a little bit back there. That's all right. Good. So, it probably didn't make any difference, but I can guarantee you after that last section, these are now going to be make your own burgers. Well, so I looked at the way they were packaged, and we all, learn from experience and stuff. And as soon as I saw how they were packaged, I thought I really should have brought that bag and left these two here instead. You'll understand when we open them up and pull them out. So they're in a square plastic container, open, with a whole bunch of space, and they had to go in sideways. It was good. Actually, that's that last section back there. Yeah, but so the shortcut did actually end up being a shortcut. So, I don't know, 2-3K maybe, something like that. But slower. But it's the kind of trail that I enjoy. So. Mostly easy, slightly tough. Right into the lake.
pretty much the end of day 6. It was a great day. Got out, found some new trails, had some good burgers, went for a swim, and now sitting by the fire, and it's looking like it's going to be a really clear night, so we should have another night of some amazing stars. You can see nebulas out here. Anyway, it's been a great day. Tomorrow looks like we're probably packing up and heading out, so I'll see you on day 7.
Good morning. Welcome to day 7. The bittersweet day. I'm glad to be going home today. I miss everything about home, but not gonna lie, a little bit sad that I'm not gonna be staying here for probably another year or so. It was a great trip. I think my best one yet. I had the most fun. Everything went well. There was a little bit of everything. So just the long ride home now. I think I'm going to avoid the 400 series highways for most of it. I don't feel like putting up with that crap today. I'll take my time, take the back roads, and who knows, maybe see some sights. Got the site all cleaned up. Left it at least as good as we got here. I think perhaps a little bit better, which is always the goal. Bike's all packed up, ready to go. Looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day. Should be a good ride home. Well then, off we go.